Wow. Let's go. So I think if I stand on whatever I stand on, I get some sensor sets off and it sets these. Oh, it's a shark. Wow. I'm in Belgium. I'm in a zoo called Paradisa in Belgium. This is almost just the entrance, really. It's a really impressive zoo. And this is just a building. And these are just the sort of windows, just to bring the building to life. This is the aquarium. So they've got these screens on each of these windows just to give the building a little bit of life as you walk up to it. This totally is a zoo with no expense spared. It's fantastic. I'll film what I can and try and put a little video out of it. So we've just come into the China section from down there, and apparently this is the biggest Chinese garden outside of China, in the middle of Belgium. So everything is authentic. Everything you see is real. Even the wife. You can get your toes done while you're here, so I might do that later. Look at that. Great, isn't it?
I'll never forget it, the colours, look. When it opens the wings and that's flying, that's
Yeah.
airy.
I know. It's like a hook, isn't it? Rather than anything, it's like a hook. I like it. It is fun, right? And this is just part of the zoo. There's no animals in here. This is just for us, the public. And apparently this temple is so authentic. People in Belgium that are Buddhist, I suppose, they actually come here to pray because it's the closest thing they've got. I think his name was Simon, but to be honest, I can't believe it's not Buddha. Wow. What do you reckon that is? Like marble or just a bit of rock? It's one bit of rock in each of these lizards. It's all carved out of one bit of rock. Yeah, it's the detail on it. It's incredible, one bit of rock. Oh, right, yeah. Apparently these are meteorites, look. See the size of them. Let's take you back a bit. This is all real marble. I've never been anywhere like it. This is the orangutan enclosure. They're in there somewhere. Yeah, they're in there. Incredible.
Effectivement, c'est Manon.
Regarde, les autres ils suivent. Regarde. Regarde. Eh non mais. Eh, du coup les autres ils vont. Bon. Ils suivent. Hop.
Coming back out.
Oh, regarde, il ressort lui. Regarde, il ressort. Ah.
What, Mama? It's right over here.
The otters, they're hanging around for a bit of food and they don't like it, so I show them why. Oh, you stick. Sitting there like kids. That'd be the same. Sitting like sandwiches and then playing with that. Any more fish in the sea? All hand carved out of one bit of wood, that lot. I'm just in awe of everything I see here. It's a big herd of elephants for a zoo. It's more than a zoo. I mean, look at this blue enclosure. It's all carved. It's all carved stuff. Wow, that is a sea lion. Look at the size of this sea lion. Oh my god.
This is what I do, like a day inspections as well, yeah.
Oh, les poissons. Elle est mignonne, c'est Mais t'approches pas. Attends, il va. Là, c'est bien.
Picks it up well. In fact, this is the crypt. An old part of the building is the crypt. And there's bats. Wow. people are jumping everywhere. It's like being in Scooby-Doo, but there's bats everywhere. It can pick them up.
We did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash.
Is there a bat behind me?
Oh, that's incredible. Oh, there's an ultraviolet. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. It's on him, he doesn't care.
Video of them. Yeah.
Oh no, he got pushed in, Maurice. He don't want to go in, look.
Trying to get back out of it.
He's trying to get out. I'm going to use him.
Not gonna let him out of that. Gonna have to go to the top, they're not moving, are they? Let's go it.
Look.
Just happy to stay there now, look. The rest of the gang are coming up now.
He's going to be walked on.
I want to see the zoo, she said, I want to see the zoo.
My line, I want to take you there, he said, I want to go with you.
I want
The
to
third
see
line.
the lions and the tigers.
Last line, I want to see the zoo, she said, I want to see the zoo. You sing, Ray?
Well, I chant a bit, you know.
What, madrigals?
No.
What sort of thing?
Well, I don't think they'd be quite suitable here, you know.
Shall we sing the second verse, Candice Marie? Yes. Slightly different from the first.
Look at the cookies.
Oh, sorry,
Yeah.
yes.
I want to see the zoo, she said, I want to see the zoo.
I want to take you there, he said, I want to go with you.
I'd be afraid
Different lines here, you see.
and of the tigers too.
I would be afraid of everything if I did not have you. See, I got the lines wrong there. They're slightly different from the first. Now, would you like to join in, Ray?
Well, I don't think so, really.
Yes, come along. You can sing the second and the fourth line with me, all right?